Hey guys, I just got my Lanshan 2 3F UL Pro tent the other day. I think the Pro is the 2020 version. I don't think they made it in 2019. I'm not 100% sure. But the Pro is supposed to be a little bit better. It has the 20D fabric and it's double silicone on both sides. Supposed to give a little bit better waterproof and windproof resistance. So looking forward to opening it up and checking it out. I also bought the ground cloth. I'm not gonna take it, hike it on the AT. I'll take the ground cloth, like if we go hiking around here, around my house. But it was cheap, so I decided to get it. So let's go try to put it up. I have no clue how to put this up, so we'll learn together. All right. I think I found one dry spot in my yard. It's been raining a lot and it's super windy today. And we got crawfish mounds everywhere. We got 2 here. We got tons all over the place. It's part of living in Louisiana. It's wet, soggy, and crawfish everywhere. So I'm gonna put the ground cloth down first, and try to figure the tent out after if this don't blow away. It's windy today. First mistake I made, I have the ground cloth down and I was attaching this down, but you have to do the bottom of the tent. Guess this will be later. So next I'm going to try to stake up the sides of these. I couldn't find where anything told me what size to set this, so I'm going to start out at 130 and go from there. I don't know how this goes. It doesn't have a loop in it. So I guess all I can do is maybe do it like this and tighten as needed here. If you know how that goes, just tell me in the comments, please. Looks like the door flaps. You can roll them up. And they have these where you can secure the doors back. Just like that. You need just one opening. Well, there's an opening on both sides, but the whole door doesn't open up. Okay, let's check it out. So I can sit up in it. This is supposed to be the Lanshan 2-person. Looks more like the 1-person to me. That's what's the problem with ordering off AliExpress. It's so hard to figure out what you're getting. You might have to actually measure it to see if this is 1-person or 2-person. But I don't see how 2 can sleep in this. It seemed like a very nice built tent. It's lightweight, thin. It has this little pouch, which I guess you can put some electronics in it. The wind is bad today, and I don't have this thing set up 100% perfect or even halfway perfect. But let me see, let me lay down and see if this would really be a 2-person. I guess you could call this a 2-person. It's small, but it'll do the job. It's just gonna be me hiking. I just needed a little extra room for my gear, so that's why I got the 2-person. But I'm gonna work a little more on getting it set up a little better and see if I can get it fixed up. Now I got my tape measure over to see the actual footprint of the bathtub. Let's see. Looks like it's 44 inches wide. And 88 inches long. I'm 6 foot 72 inches, so that gives me plenty of room. So I like it. I just got to figure out all these wires and ropes. Like, I don't know where is this supposed to go? Where does this little loop go? I don't know if it's supposed to connect on, there's hooks on this. Maybe it goes on that. I went inside and I watched a few YouTube videos on how to install this thing. I guess I should have did that first. Because one bad thing about ordering stuff from China, it does not come with directions. So first of all, I had the trekking poles too high. I had them at 130, and looks like everyone else was doing 115 to 120. So I'm having it at 120 right now. I may have to lower it to 115. And also, this little hook is what attaches to the door. You have a loop right here that goes around that, so it's both of them. One goes to the top, one goes to the door. And that way when you want to get in, you just disconnect one and then tie it back up to this little location. But it's a lot better. It's probably about a good 80% right, but I'll get better at it. So that's it. Thanks for watching.